Hello, this is Shauna Cecil. I teach math at Lee Summit High School, and here is my cultural literacy project. I built this in resources, so there's a few things that I will add, like due dates and whatnot, once it's actually in my course. But the first thing that I have here is the word list, and I'm going to start with the discussion. So they'll do a discussion, it has the 10 words, and I just want them to post what they know or think they know about the words. It doesn't have to be correct. I just want to get an idea of what they already know. Okay, after that, then we'll actually go through the definition. So this is an assignment. It's a Google Sheet. And so we'll go through the words. I don't know yet if we'll do all of the words on the same day or if we'll do a couple each day. But I want to do this towards the beginning of the year because we'll be using these words all year. And they'll actually use them in other math classes as well. I plan to do this in college algebra and pre-calc. Okay, after we go through the definitions, and I'll put them in groups. And in their groups, they will work on a word wall. So just decorating a poster. I want the definition and examples, and I'm kind of leaving it open-ended for them to be creative. After that, I have these 3 quizzes. So these 3 quizzes will be given throughout the year. This will be the first one, and this first one is just a matching quiz. I think I have 4 attempts on it, and I want them to score at least an 80% on that. And then a little bit later, I think maybe towards the end of first semester, we'll do this quiz 2. And this quiz 2, it asks questions about the words. So kind of like examples, and then they have to match what word it belongs to. And then the third one, they have to write the definitions. And then I would plan to do this, I think, somewhere in the middle of second semester. So the words that I chose, there was a couple from Hirsch's book, like integer and rational number, but x-intercepts I think was in there too. But these were words that I identified that I think that they need to know in order to get through high school. These math terms, they see them everywhere, including the ACT, and then any other like math text. These are pretty common words. I'll do student completion rules as well. Like I said, I want them to score at least an 80% on the quizzes, but then I'll also have them do these assignments in sequential order. So I'll add the completion rules once I add it into my course. Okay, and that's what I got. Thanks, Joe. It's been a great class.